In this video, let's discuss about the important MCQs on soils of India. So the first one is Riga soil is mostly suitable for the cultivation of. So it is mostly suitable for the cultivation of cotton. And the next one, which among the following is not the correct regarding the black soil of peninsular India? So the first one is black soil is rich in lime, iron and potash. And the next one is retentive in moisture. And then fertile and well situated for growing sugarcane. Third one, rich in phosphorus and organic matter. So here they have asked not correct. So the answer is option D. So it is low in phosphorus and organic matter. So rich in iron, lime and potash. So the answer is option D is the right answer. And third one, with reference to the agricultural soil, consider the following statements. A high content of organic matter is soil drastically reduces its water holding capacity. Soil does not play any role in the sulfur cycle. Irrigation over a period of time can contribute to the salination of some agricultural lands. Which of the statement given above is correct? So here option third is the correct answer. Irrigation over a period of time can contribute to the salination of some agricultural land. So second one, soil does not play any role in the sulfur cycle. So actually soil plays an important role in the sulfur cycle. The sulfur is already, so it is in the sedimentary rock. So and also it is formed due to weathering. So the option 2 is wrong and option 1 is wrong. A high content of organic matter in soil, so it doesn't reduces its water holding capacity. So the organic matter is responsible or it needed for the water holding capacity. So option 3 is the right one. So option B is the right answer. And the next one, Riga soil is ideally situated for which one among the following crops? So the Riga, so it is black soil and it is for cotton. And the next one, which one of the following crops grows best in well drained loamy soil? So that is tea. And the next one, which one of the following soil is deposited by the rivers? So that is alluvial soil, option C. So that is the right answer. And the next one, in which of the following states marshy peaty soil is not predominantly found? So the answer is Madhya Pradesh. So the marshy or peaty soil, so it is found in Odisha, Bihar, West Bengal and Kerala. So it is not found in Madhya Pradesh. And the next one, which of the following statement is not correct? So black soil is locally called Riga, so it is correct. And then according to Kraft, the Riga soil is essentially a mature soil, so it is correct. And then the black soils are highly retentive to moisture, so it is correct. And then the black soil is found in Himalayan regions, so this is wrong. So it is not found in Himalayan region. And the next one, black soil is also known by which of the following name? So it is known by Riga soil. And the next one, which of the following statement regarding soil is correct? Alluvial soil is rich in nitrogen content. Black soil is rich in iron, lime but deficient in nitrogen. Third one, laterite soil are rich in iron and aluminium but deficient in nitrogen and potassium. So in first one, so they are asking which is correct. So in first one, alluvial soil is rich in nitrogen and potash. So actually it is rich in potash and low in nitrogen. And the second one, black soil is rich in iron and lime but deficient in nitrogen. So this is correct. And then laterite soil is rich in iron and aluminium but deficient in nitrogen and potassium. So this one is right. So the answer is option C. And then the 11th one, which of the following region of northern plain is most fertile? So the answer is Khadar. So Khadar is new alluvial soil, whereas Barbar is old alluvial soil. 12th one, in a desert region, soil erosion can be checked by. So it is checked by tree plantation or afforestation. So option C is the right answer. 13th one, soil which is prone to intensive leaching during rain. So leaching, that is laterite. And 14th one, consider the following statement regarding the laterite soil. So laterite soil are generally red in color. Laterite soil are rich in nitrogen and potash. Laterite soil are well developed in Rajasthan and Uttar Pradesh. Tapioca and cashew nuts grow well in this soil. So laterite soil are generally red in color, so it is correct. And then they are rich in potash and nitrogen. So they are rich in aluminium and iron. So not in potash and nitrogen. So second one is wrong. Third one, they are well developed in Western Ghats, Eastern Ghats, and then Satpura range, Malwa plateau, but not in Rajasthan and Uttar Pradesh. So this one is also wrong. So and then tapioca and cashew nuts grow well in the soil. So in the soil, tea, cotton, tapioca, cashew nuts, so these grow well in the soil. So the fourth one is right. So here the answer is option C. And the next one, 15th one. In India, the problem of soil erosion is associated with which of the following? Terrace cultivation, tropical climate, deforestation. So the answer is deforestation. And the next one, the term rigor is used to. So it is used for black cotton soil. And 17th one, soil erosion can be prevented by. So it is prevented by afforestation. 18th one, which one among the following is a micronutrient present in soil for various crops? Calcium, magnesium, manganese and potassium. So here they have asked micronutrient. So the answer is manganese. So whereas calcium, magnesium and potassium are macronutrients. And then Khadar. So Khadar is a new alluvial soil. 20th one, which among the following is not a characteristic of black soil? See the first one, it is best soil for cotton cultivation, so it is correct. It has low water retaining capacity, so this is wrong. It has high water retaining capacity. And the next one, it is rich in lime, iron and magnesium, so this is correct. And then the texture is clay, so this is correct. So the answer is option B. So this is not a characteristic of black soil. 21, black soil is not found in which states of India? So black soils are found in Gujarat, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh. So here Punjab is given, so it is the right answer. 22nd, fertile riverine alluvial soil is best suited for. So it is best suited for rice. So for corn, so red soil. And then for tea, laterite soil. And for cotton, black soil. And then 23rd, black soil is mostly found in which part of India? So the answer is Peninsular Plateau. So these are the questions regarding soils of India in Lucent book. Thank you for watching.